Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mind Your Exam. In this video, we will learn how to use the goal seek function in Microsoft Excel to reach the goal value that you want. So let's take an example to understand this. Suppose we have some data which is length of a rectangle which is equal to 5 units in this case. Then we have the breadth of the rectangle which is equal to 10 units in this case, and we have to find the area. Now area is calculated as the multiplication of length into breadth. So I'll calculate the area using this particular formula. That means the contents of cell D3 multiplied by the contents of cell D4, that is length into breadth, and I'll press enter and I'll get the area. Now we use the goal seek function whenever we have to change the result on the basis of one of the input variables. That means if we want to change the value of area which we have calculated using two variables length and breadth, then if we want to reach the goal of having area equal to 70 by changing the value of length, then we want to know what should be the value of length so that our area becomes 70. Okay, so for this, what will you do? You will go to the data tab in your Microsoft Excel, and in the data tab you will go to what if analysis. Now in the what if analysis, when you click on it, you will get three options. You have to select the second option, which is the goal seek function. Now in the goal seek function, you will see three values or the three values that you have to enter. First is set cell. So set cell basically means you have to enter the address of that particular cell which you want to change or whose value you want to set to the new value. Since I want to set the value of area to the new value, so I'll select the value of area, which is my cell D5. So be careful in writing the cell address, because you have to write the cell address using the dollar sign so that this particular cell address gets fixed and neither the column nor the row is changed. Now the second value that we have to enter is to value. Now in the to value, we want to specify to Microsoft Excel that to what value we should change the value of area. That means what is our goal. So since I want to change the area to 70 and I want to do this by changing the value of cell which is representing the length. So in the last input, I will select the cell address which corresponds to the value of length, that is D3. Then I'll press OK, and as you just saw, the value of length got changed to 7 and the resulting area is 70. So the goal seek function is also telling you that it has found a solution. The target value was 70 and the current value of area has also become 70 by changing the value of length to 7. So this was all about goal seek function. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video. Mind your exam.